To connect your T Mobile Hotspot to your PS5, start by turning on your T Mobile Hotspot device and ensuring it is fully charged. Next, go to your PS5 and navigate to the Settings menu. Then select Network and choose Set up Internet Connection. Choose Use Wi-Fi and select your T Mobile Hotspot from the list of available networks. If you do not see your hotspot, make sure it is in range and that the Wi-Fi is turned on. Once you have selected your hotspot, enter the password for your T Mobile Hotspot. This can usually be found on the bottom or side of the device, or in the documentation that came with it. After entering the password, your PS5 will connect to your T Mobile Hotspot. You can test the connection by going to the internet browser on your PS5 or by trying to play a game online. If you are having trouble connecting, try restarting your T Mobile Hotspot and your PS5, and make sure that your data plan has not been exhausted. It is also a good idea to check the strength of your signal and move your hotspot to a location with a stronger signal if necessary. It is worth noting that using a mobile hotspot to connect your PS5 to the internet may result in slower speeds and higher latency than a traditional wired connection. However, it can be a convenient option if you do not have access to a wired connection. To get the best possible performance, make sure your T Mobile Hotspot is in a location with a strong signal. And consider upgrading to a plan with a higher data limit if you plan on using your PS5 frequently. By following these steps, you should be able to connect your T Mobile Hotspot to your PS5 and start gaming online. Remember to always keep an eye on your data usage and adjust your plan as needed to avoid any unexpected charges.